Role of Candida in COTY. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Urinary tract infections (UTIs) are among the most commonly diagnosed infections in both hospital and community settings. Catheter-associated urinary tract infections (COTIs) are also one of the major contributors to the healthcare-associated infection in hospitalized patients. Fungal infection, mainly Candida, also plays a part in COTY. Candida species are components of the normal flora of human beings. Candida albicans has been the most commonly isolated opportunistic pathogenic fungi from cases of UTI in the past. In recent years, non-albicans Candida has emerged as the most common agent causing UTI in ICU settings. Identification of Candida species is important as non-albicans Candida are more resistant to azoles compared to that of C. albicans. Antifungal susceptibility pattern depends largely on the infecting species of Candida. Introduction. Urinary tract infections (UTIs) are some of the most common infections seen in both hospitals and everyday life. Women are much more likely to get UTIs than men because of differences in their anatomy. Every year, over 150 million people worldwide suffer from UTIs, making them the second most common infection after respiratory illnesses. More than half of all women and around 12% of men will have a UTI at some point in their lives. UTIs can lead to serious health problems like kidney infections, blood infections, and issues caused by repeated antibiotic use, including drug resistance. UTIs are classified based on where they occur, upper or lower urinary tract, and whether symptoms are present. They are also divided into uncomplicated and complicated types, depending on whether there are other health problems like urinary blockages, catheters, or pregnancy. Understanding these differences is important for proper treatment and prevention. Conclusion. The increasing burden of Candida-associated COTY is causing a large burden to both the healthcare system and patients. Though there are numerous antifungals available against Candida, species of Candida and risk factors in patients are determinants of the antifungal to be administered to the patient. Also, changing pattern of Candida species causing UTIs around the world points towards the continuous need for surveillance, thus helping us in providing appropriate therapy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.